Okay guys, so today I'm going to be doing a little bike check video about the parts on my bike and what I'm riding. So we're going to go from front to back. So let's start with the front. So I actually just got this new wheel today. It's, what is it? It's a Stranger Crux 6061. Says right there. Wait, let's focus on that. Come on. Boom. Okay. I just got this wheel today. It's reinforced with the extra bolts, or the axle bolt things. This was my old wheel. It was a Flybikes wheel. Came with the Flybikes thing. The reason why I got a new wheel is it's on this guy right here. If you do this, it's super hard to get off now. Hang on. Yeah, I can't even get it off. It stops right like in there, but you can kind of see it from here. I stripped the axle threads. Come on, focus. Whatever, you can kind of see it. I stripped the axle threads. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rebuild this wheel, make it into like a spare wheel. Kind of something just to have on the side. Okay. I have no idea what kind of hub guards I have on this. But this is, I believe, a Stranger hub as well. I think that's a Stranger logo for hubs. And again, I have no idea what kind of hub guards I have, but they're nice and metal. Okay, so next would be my tires. These are my favorite tires I've probably ever ridden. The Colt Vans are just super nice, super sticky, and really last a long time. I have the Odyssey Snow Camo pegs, only on my right side. Eventually I'm going to get them on both sides, that's why I have hub guards on both sides. Next is my forks, is the stock Flybikes forks with stickers on it. I love stickers, stickers all over my bike. And then the headset is stock, and this used to have the Proton logo on it, but I put that sticker there. I have the stock Flybikes treble stem on there, and the Flybikes handlebars with the Colt Vans grips to match my tires. These are awesome grips too. I have the Flybikes Proton frame with stickers. This was the first sticker I put on there. This is like my signature thing. Anything else up there? I think that's it for up there. My seat. I really like the seat. It's a Demolition Paradise seat. Pivotal. I really like the Pivotal seats. They're really strong and they last forever. So I've heard. I broke my other seat, but it wasn't a Pivotal. It was that tripod thing, and that broke. Next is my cranks. These are honestly the best cranks I've ever ridden. The BSD Sticker Bomb chainring with I don't know exactly what kinds, but these are the BSD cranks. These are awesome. They're super strong. They don't squeak. I got new cranks because my chainring was bent. My crank had a big dent on this side right here, and it squeaks a lot. I hated that so much. My chain is the chain that came with the Flybikes bike. Here's the stock Flybikes. I don't know if I should change it out or not. I think I'm getting a half length soon. So that'll be fun. This is a 21 inch. I ride a 21 inch frame. I'm pretty big. On the bottom bracket is the BSD whatever he gave me. But it's really cool and I like it a lot. My pedals are the Odyssey snow camos to match my pegs. They're really nice. I really like the snow camo look. A bunch of epic BMX stickers. I think that's it for right there. So, my rear wheel. My spokes are a little loose, but it's fine. I have the Primo Remix hub with the fast cassette on there, so it really rolls pretty fast. I like it. I like that sound when it rolls faster. I have no idea what kind of spokes these are. I honestly have no idea. He just gave me some black spokes. Again, I have the Colt Vans tires in the back. But yeah, this hub is honestly one of my favorite hubs I've ever ridden. I really like it. And I have plastic hub guards on it. That's the only defect, but other than that, this hub is awesome. For the wheel, it is the Zero Demolition, or Demolition Zero, either or. The company's name is Demolition, and I got the gold because I don't know, I wanted something unique, and everyone remembers my bike because it has the gold rear wheel. And I have the peg on the right side. That's really it. I mean, I do ride left side drive. I peg on the right. I'm right foot forward. I guess my seat post is whatever that M means. I have no idea what that M means. It looks kind of cool though. I do not slam my seat. I raise it like an inch or inch and a half. I like it that way. I feel like I was sitting too low whenever I sat on my bike. So I guess that's that. I'm really stoked on this new front wheel. And I don't know if I should do it or not. I'm for sure gonna get a gold chain. It's my next chain. But be sure to leave a comment. Should I get a gold stem? Like a bronze stem to match my wheel? Because it would be cool, but I wonder if I should like just keep it black, you know? So yeah, Max and everyone else are gonna do like skateboard checks and tell you how they're riding, what they're riding, how they ride, and the other BMX riders will do that same thing. And be sure to drop a like down there and comment if you have any questions, or if you need any advice on fixing your bike or anything. And yeah, I'll see you guys later.